Hi folks, so today we're in a 2008 BMW 3 Series. It's the 4-cylinder petrol estate car. Anyway, we've had this, got it going out, customers waiting to purchase it. Anyway, we've got this mysterious sound when you drive it, a whining sound. It's almost like a wheelbarrow, but it's kind of like a hollow. Sound almost like a wheelbarrow, but not, which is what we thought it was at first. Turns out, got it checked over, wheelbarrows are fine. Turns out it's the diff. So to test it out, what we're going to do is obviously get it on a ramp, check the diff oil. So start with that. I suspect it's going to be a little bit low, but I think it's too far gone now anyway. And then looks like we're going to change the diff. So we'll change the diff and then do another video, same drive again, and just see if it gets rid of the problem. But if anybody else has this problem, this really racked my brains as to what it was. I was going on Google and just looking about and asking the questions. I was like, it's just this horrible sound. I wouldn't let the customer take it as it was. He was quite happy to just take it, but I says no. I says I'm going to get it done for you, and then we'll give you a call to arrange collection. Okay, hopefully you like the video. If you want to like and subscribe, that's entirely up to yourself, but I'm hoping to get a few more videos like this where you get hints and tips or any advice on what things could be. But yeah, thank you very much.